Does it feel like you're walking on a Rice Krispie treat?
No.
Because it looks like you're walking on a Rice Krispie treat.
It's surprisingly comfortable. Like, I can see why you would do this. The only thing is like, Wells in leather? Yeah, Wells is a leather daddy.
With my boots, too. I got my motorcycle boots on.
This is the little dance that Edgar does every time someone orders a PC. Imagine Crab Rave in your head as you're watching Edgar.
My front fan's not lit. What happened, little fella?
Wait, really?
I see it.
Why do you do this? Why are you like this?
Bought it for your kid.
The lucky kid.
You want to adopt me?
There's really no easy way to ship a PC shaped like a tank. So, yeah.
Put it on a flatbed. He had like 3 monitors or 3 like sensors. He's like, this one goes in your ear, this one goes in your mouth, and this one goes in your butt.
You guys are being weird. You're the weird ones here.
Every day is the same day.
It's
It
yeah.
just repeats.
Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
That's right. Kneel before me.
Okay. Ah, stub toe. Ow.
It's not that big a deal.
What?
I was gonna. Oh. Yes. Let's
we
go. I spoke too soon.
Okay.
Wait, Ryan, check how it
Victory
looks. Check how it
screech.
looks.